You are welcome to my channel. I want to show you how I prepare jollof rice for 45 people for our love feast. These are the ingredients we use. That's the ingredients. You can see the tomatoes, the pepper, the rice. This rice, I have to add more rice because that one is very small. So that is the groundnut oil, the chicken. This chicken is about 35 pieces. So I bought 20 egg to add to it. That one was done off camera, so I didn't feature that on the camera. So it's left for me to wash the meat 3 times. After washing the meat, put it in the fire. So the meat was washed 3 times. So I put all the seasoning, the curry, the thyme, the salt, the mangi, onions. So all the seasoning was inside the meat. So I add little water. That is the onions. So I sliced the onions, I chopped the onions and I added Maggi seasoning. And I add little water, added salt, a little salt. And I add a little water in the meat. I like to boil like 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes because it's chicken, so just 10 minutes is okay. But I'm still going to fry it. So after that, just cover it. So the tomatoes, I slice the tomatoes and blend it. Although the stew was cooked off camera. So I cooked the stew off camera. So I'm going to show you how the stew looks like. So this is the rica. This is half, they call this one half the rica. So it's about 13 of this derica that I use to prepare the rice for 45 people. So this is the first stage. This is the first stage of the rice. This rice that you're saying is about 6 of that small derica. So this is the stew. I'm going to add the chicken water, the sauce of the chicken, pour it in, allow it to boil a little. Then I now have to share the stew in 3 places because the pot that I'm using is small. I have smaller pots, so I don't have a very big pot, so I have to manage what I have. So I share it in 3 places and I use it according to the pot. So the quantity of the stew is according to the quantity of the rice. That's how I shared it. So this is the first stage. This pot is bigger than the other 2 pots. So you see this, the way I'm doing it, I have to push in the water inside. So it's not actually, I'm not really turning it like that. So I'm just trying to push the water in. That's why I'm pulling the rice up so that the water will push inside to boil so that the pot will not get burnt. The rice will not get burnt. That is why I'm doing it like that. So I always open it, pull the rice up, let the water go in so that it will get done on time and the rice will not get burnt. So I have to test it to see if it is soft or cooked. So it's not soft, I have to add another water and use my stick to pull the rice up. So that's how you cook jollof rice. So what I'm putting now is onions and carrots to garnish it. So I allow it to done because the rice is almost done. Maybe like 10 minutes it will be cooked. So that's what I did. So you see that leaf in the rice now, it's bay leaf. They use it to cook jollof rice. So that is what it is. So after cooking this now, I still have another 2 pots that I will prepare. Although one of them is in the fire and the other end. So that is how it is. So after that now, I have to take the rice and turn it to the cooler. I'll pour it in the cooler. Right. So at this junction, please subscribe to my channel. Give me like button. Also give me healthy comments. Encourage me, please. Subscribe to my channel. I beg you in the name of God. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. Just click the subscribe button. Okay. Encourage me to produce more videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Be cool. God bless you. So this is the cooler. That is the cooler that I'm going to use. So this is the first stage of the rice, which is six smaller. The small derrick I showed you earlier is six of it. So I'm going to pour it in. So it's just like almost more than half of that cooler, that pot you are seeing. So after pouring in, so the second rice now, I will bring it and pour it later. You see it. Going to see all the rice. Pickle. I'm going to show you everything, all the rice that I prepared for 45 people. For our love feast. We call it Feast of the Tabernacle for our own ministry. So that is it. So some people call it love feast. Some churches call it for love feast. We call it Feast of the Tabernacle. So that's it. So that is the rice that I'm doing right now. The rice that I've prepared, the first stage of the rice. Oh, yeah. Just scratching the bottom side. I don't want anything to be left over in the pot. So I have to cover it and bring the second pot. That is the second pot, right? So this second pot you are saying, that small derica you saw, is about 4 of it. So this my baby girl, she want to eat rice. The aroma don't allow her to stay. Aroma was very tempting for her. She has been disturbing me. Give me rice. I want to eat. I want to eat. So I have to give her. So that she will give me peace. So that is it. So this pot is second pot. And the cooler is filled up right now. So you can see the cooler is filled up. So what we are saying here now is the big derica is 5. While that small derica I showed to you is 10. 10 of it. That is the cup. 10 cups of that small derica. So you can see I'm done with that one now. So the third pot, that's what you are seeing at the end there. That is in there. That's the third pot. There is rice inside. It's almost done. So you see this spaghetti just afterthought. I just felt that okay, since I did not prepare moi to top it, and I did not do fried plantain, let me just do a little spark because no children like spaghetti. So and it really helped a lot. People like it as I add it as an addition to the jollof rice. They like it. So a little salt to taste. So I allow it to cook. Like 15 minutes is that spark is done. So that is the rice, the one that the filled up, that cooler is filled up. So this is the small cooler. This small cooler is just like 1.5. That is big derica I'm talking about to 1.5. The small derica is 3 of it for that small pot, as they are saying it. So you can see I have to manage what I have, the pots that I have. That's what I manage to cook this food. So you can. So this is my spark now. It's done now. It's just 10 minutes now. So I have to fry the sauce to add to it. So we call it ororo, granite oil. Allow it to get hot. I put salt, put onions, put tomatoes, carrots. So I now stir it. And I pour it in the spark, right? I pour it right in the spark. So have to stir it and let it boil for 5 minutes so that the ingredient absorb it. So I just make it faster so I will not waste time. So this is the chicken that I'm frying. Just fry it. Everything is ready. So we are in the venue already. Yeah, this is the venue. So the prayer after the prayer, after they have prayed in the food. So it's for us to share the food to the members. Yeah. So everybody eat and then eat to satisfaction. Everybody ate to their satisfaction. So that is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for watching so far. Subscribe to my channel. Share this video. Bye.